Here is one of the biggest mistakes I see buyers make. They walk into an open house, meet the agent holding it open, and say, "We love this home. Can you write up the offer for us?" It sounds simple, but it is actually one of the worst things you can do. My name is Michael Hankerson. I am the designated broker with Link Brokerages and the founder of the Hankerson Team Luxury Division. I help buyers navigate the process strategically, and here is what is really happening in that moment. Many buyers believe that if they find the home online themselves and walk into the open house on their own, they have done all the work, so they should save money. It feels logical, but that is not how real estate works. Finding the home does not save you money. What actually saves you money is having an experienced agent who understands the market, understands the contracts and the process, and knows how to negotiate on your behalf. The savings come from strategy, not from skipping representation. Now, while there are times the listing agent may hold an open house, very often the agent working the open house is not the actual listing agent. Depending on the price point and the team structure, that agent may be newer to real estate. They are not the person the seller hired. They are not managing the listing strategy. And in many cases, they have limited negotiation experience. So when a buyer asks that agent to write their offer, they are relying on someone who may not have negotiated a purchase contract before. And here is something most people never think about. If that agent presents a low or poorly structured offer to the seller, they may receive pushback from the listing agent or their team lead. That means they cannot negotiate strongly for you. They cannot influence the seller, and you end up without real representation. A similar issue comes up when a brand new agent offers to discount their commission if you work with them. Discounting does not save you money, experience does. New agents often do not understand negotiation psychology, contract structure, inspection leverage, or appraisal risk. Those are the things that protect you financially and save you real money. When you are buying a home, you deserve representation from someone who is focused on your interests. Someone who understands the market and knows how to position your offer so you can win. The open house agent represents the seller. You need someone who represents you. If you are thinking about buying or you just want honest answers, please feel free to call or text me anytime at 602-770-7205. Thank you and have a great day.